Let's talk about 10 ways to make time to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business. And the expression make time, I think it's kind of an oxymoron because it's pretty much impossible for us to make time. We think we can make more time, save time, manipulate time, manage our time. But guess what? We really all only have 24 hours in a day. It's how we prioritize and use that time that really, really matters. Thing I always say, and I think about time whenever I want to waste a bunch of time or relax and do things that are just rejuvenating, is I remind myself that our time is not renewable. Money, we can always make more money. We can always do and create more of just about anything on the planet with the exception of time. Now, if you're broke, you're probably saying, oh, we can't make more money, but we absolutely can. Time, however, 24 hours in a day for every person on the planet, that's all you get. It's how you allocate it, what you do with it that matters. So what are 10 ways we can do what matters with our time to give us the illusion of having more time, being able to get more done in the 24 hours that we're allocated each day? Well, number one, get organized. We absolutely positively need to get organized. We need to have things where we need them, when we need them, so that we don't have to spend time looking for things. Number two, identify your most productive times of day. Now me, I am totally a morning person, so I get a lot more done in the morning than I ever get done in the afternoon, or especially late in the evening or late at night. Late at night, my energy tanks and I just am not as productive. So I want to schedule things that are most important, that require most of my mental focus and time early in the day. Number three, find more time in your day by doing things like getting up early, working during your lunch, finding things that you can do during your day, or scheduling things and having habits throughout your day to get little pieces of things done that you want to get done that you otherwise might not get done. Number four, schedule your day and stick to it. You got to have a schedule because that lines up with your priorities, and you want to make sure that you're spending your precious time on the things that are most important, that will move your business in the direction you want it to go. It's the whole work on your business, not in your business strategy that many of us still fall prey to. I don't so much anymore, but boy, I sure used to. Number five, avoid big day wasters and big time wasters. Things like Facebook, TV, the internet, email, voicemail, whatever takes up a ton of your time but doesn't give you the value in exchange for the time that you're investing in it. Find ways to block that or simplify it or delegate it to someone else. It's easy to have someone else listen to your voicemail, take notes, and then tell you what things, or let you know what things, or let you decide what and who you need to respond to. Number six, do double duty. Multitask. I know, everybody tells you don't multitask because you can't get things done. At least most of the men in my life and that I've known have said multitasking is impossible. I disagree 100%. I think that we can successfully multitask on non-high priority items. If we're talking to our banker, we better not be multitasking. If we're talking to our CFO, we probably shouldn't be multitasking. Maybe even if we're talking to our marketing director, we shouldn't be multitasking. But there are ways to do double duty. I always, when I was commuting in corporate America, would listen to tapes and audios in my car because I was stuck in traffic. It was like a college degree on wheels, the amount of information and personal development and training materials that I was able to consume just in my commute. And otherwise, that would have been dead time listening to the radio, letting someone else program my mind, or just getting frustrated in traffic at the other drivers on my way home. So then I would have gotten home all stressed out and anxious with my family, the last thing I wanted to be. So find ways that you can do double duty, multitask. I do affirmations while I brush my teeth. Why? Because it's one way to do affirmations, which move me toward what I want in the rest of my life, and that's doing double duty. I gotta brush my teeth anyway. I want to do the affirmations, so by combining the two, I can do double duty. Number 8, chores and cleaning and maintenance and things. Household activities, personal maintenance activities, as well as business maintenance and activities and things that have to be done for your business. I say delegate as many of these as is humanly possible. Get help with these things because your time is much better spent building and supersizing your business, creating strategies and vision, implementing, doing sales, determining the customer experience, things like that, that will really move the needle in the direction you want it to go for your business a lot more than cleaning the toilets or washing the car. All those things can be delegated. Number 9, learn to say no. There are things that we say yes to until we know better all the time that aren't in line with our priorities or what it is that we want to achieve in our businesses or in our lives. Learn to say no. Guess what? I don't know that anybody died. Well, I can't say that. I'm sure people have died from saying no, but not in this circumstance. When we're building and growing our business, we need to remember to say yes to the things that are in alignment with our priorities and our vision and where we're taking our company, and no to the things that just don't match up. No to the things that aren't a priority for us. And unapologetically say no. No, I'm not interested in your offer at this time. No, I don't want to partner with you at this time. No, this is not the right product or service for my organization. No, please don't waste my time promoting it to me when it's not right for us. We're not interested, and we'll let you know if we're ever interested. And then finally, 10, avoid interruptions. I am a firm believer in time blocking when there's important things that need to get done. And my schedule is my schedule. I stick to my schedule as much as humanly possible unless an emergency comes up. And let's be honest, emergencies come up. Now, is it really an emergency that I need to deal with, or can someone else deal with this situation for me? If someone else can deal with it as well or better than me, so there's a lot of things people can deal with better than I can, I will avoid the interruption and delegate that out. So when I block a block of time to do a certain task, I perform that task. I block my communications. I block my block some time for my email. I block time for gratitude and appreciating people that have made a positive impact in my life. I block time for working with my clients and customers. I block time for working with my team, and those things go uninterrupted. All right, those are my 10. Love to know your tips, tricks, and strategies for making more time, being more productive in your day. Share those in the comments below so we can all learn together. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting time-related idiom. I think all this month we'll do time-related idioms. And then maybe in November, since it's coming up on Christmas time, we'll do money-related idioms for the month of November. I don't know. I like no-nonsense November, so maybe money's no-nonsense, and we can have a no-nonsense approach to money in November. But this month we're going to work on time, because I think time is a much more valuable resource. At least my time, the older I get, seems more and more valuable than money. Love to know your thoughts on that as well. Go out, make it an awesome day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow. Have a great day.